Welcome to our next video on English expressions. Here is our first image. The expression is, bite off more than one can chew. A very funny picture, don't you think so? The expression indicates that you are doing too much and this will give serious problems. Our first example is, I've committed to this project, but I don't have the time to do it. It is clear I have bitten off more than I can chew. Our second example is, I'm warning you, don't bite off more than you can chew. It's a romantic picture, don't you agree? The expression is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. It means that true friends are friends that help you when you are in need. Here's our first example. He was always there for me during this difficult time. A friend in need is a friend indeed. And our second example, when Mary lost her job, Susan helped her. Indeed, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Time for our last image. The expression is, let bygones be bygones. This is used when someone wants past problems to be forgotten. First example, I know I was wrong, but let bygones be bygones. And our second example is, Jack and Jill wanted to have a new start. They say, let bygones be bygones. That's the end of this series, and we'll always end with a few important remarks. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English expressions series. Second, please leave comments. Maybe you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish, or maybe Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to see what our shop has to offer. And finally, here's a new picture, and we will tell you what this expression means next time. Love you! See you next time.